Hey guys, it's Ben from TV Parts today. Back behind me on the table, I have a Samsung UN55KS8000. We're just going to be removing the boards from this unit, so if you have any questions, if you need any parts, give us a call at 1-800-203-7484, and we're just going to get right into it. We are going to start with the main board. We're going to get all of these connections out, and it is going to be another screwless board. So right up here, there's going to be a little tab that we need to get up in the board over to be pushed out this direction, but we're going to get these plugs done first. I'm going to start here with the one going to the speaker. And then we are going to move on to this cord right here, which you can kind of pull up and out of that speaker. And then again, you just want to push down on that tab to let it up. And it should just come right out. And then this clip is going to be next, the same style as the one over there. Try to get a way we can get a little bit better angle on this. I'm going to get this tape off first. We should just be able to push down on that clip. And it should come right out. The two ribbon cable connections, we're going to get our fingernail underneath there and pop them up. And that should just let the ribbon cable slide right out. These two are going to be a little bit different. This one is going to have a similar style to the ones down here. Just going to push it down so that clip releases and then pull out. And this one's going to have two clips on either side that we need to depress, and then we can pull the entire plug out from the board. So the actual removal of the board, we're going to want to get the board up and over this tab here, and then the entire thing just slides right out. Now on to the power supply board. It is just held in with two clips similar to the style on the main board. You just push it on the sides and then they should just come out really easily. And then we have this one right here. It's the same style. We're just going to depress the two buttons on the side and that clip should just come free. All that's holding the board in place now are these two screws next to the plug for the wall socket. We get those out. Now we should be able to find where the board is clipped in, and there are going to be little tabs here that we need to push the board up and over, and the whole thing should slide out. And then should just come up, and that's the power supply board. That's going to do it for today. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. If you do subscribe to the YouTube channel, you will qualify for 20% off your first order through TV Parts Today, and we will see you next time.
Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video. If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget, you can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook for exclusive promo codes.